5 financial lessons they don't teach you at school. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Shareholdr. In today's video we are going to talk about 5 financial lessons you should know. It amazes me how most people go through the education system and hardly learn anything about personal finance. Even if you specialize in finance, most programs are set up where you learn how to invest, what qualities to look for in an asset, and the different types of assets you can choose from, among other things. But there is practically no talk of personal finance, probably the most important subject that can be taught if the perfect school is to prepare people for the real world. Personal finance is a skill that people learn along the way. There are simple ways to learn this skill, like reading articles like this one, and more difficult ways, like lost and missed opportunities. According to a 2018 study by the Economic Education Council, only 19 states require high school students to take courses in staff finance. But when American families are trillions of dollars in debt, we simply need to do more. If financial topics aren't covered in school, this problem can be easily perpetuated, especially if you and your family or friends didn't know this either. Until the education system does more to improve your understanding of personal finance, here are 8 things about managing your money that they don't teach you in school but they should. Emergency funds are a necessity. It's likely that at some point in your life you'll have to face an unexpected expense. If an emergency occurs and you don't have the cash to cover it, you may need to change your credit cards or something else to make ends meet. But saving an emergency fund for these situations can help keep you from piling up debt or struggling to cover bills. If you're having a hard time saving money on your own, an app like Digit could help. Digit evaluates your income, upcoming bills, and expected expenses to determine how much you owe to your checking account and your Digit account, helping you save money automatically. Your funds are FDIC insured up to $250,000, and unlike recurring wire transfers, Digit adapts to your spending habits and bills. You might not even notice that the money's gone, and you can set a number of goals based on what you need to save. You can earn cash back on almost everything you buy. In addition to using a cashback credit card, you can get a refund on almost anything you buy with numerous platforms that reward you for your spending. Fetch also allows you to earn rewards for your spending, but it does so by scanning your purchase receipts instead of linking your credit or debit cards. For each eligible receipt you upload, you will earn points which you can then redeem for gift certificates. Ibotta is another refund app that rewards you for your purchases by uploading receipts, connecting your store's loyalty card, and shopping online through the Ibotta app. The amount you earn varies by store and item, and you can withdraw your earnings to PayPal, Venmo, or a variety of gift cards. Credit cards aren't evil. With credit card debt hitting an all-time high of $880 billion in the third quarter of 2019, according to data provided by the Federal Reserve of New York, it's easy to think credit cards should be avoided altogether. But credit cards aren't inherently bad. They can be a very powerful tool to help transform your finances when used properly. In addition to earning cash back and travel rewards every time you swipe the card, credit cards can be the key to building good credit. The Citi Double Cash Card BT 18-month offer, for example, has an annual fee of $0 and is suitable for most wallets. You can earn up to a 2% refund on all purchases, 1% when you shop, and 1% when you pay for the purchases. In addition, this card offers 0% April on balance transfers for 18 months. Knowing your credit score is valuable. A good credit score unlocks a lot, but a bad one affects many things. Since your credit plays such an important role in your life, it is vital that you not only know your credit score, but also protect it. You can check your credit score at any time with sites like Credit Karma without any negative impact. Knowing your credit score lets you know when you need to borrow money, rent an apartment, or even apply for a job. Plus, you can get a free credit report from all 3 major credit bureaus, and every year by visiting annualcreditreport.com. Your credit report gives you a detailed look at everything that is affecting your credit, so be sure to review it for any inaccuracies that could drag your score down. Investing isn't just for the rich. It's easy to assume investing is only for those with deep pockets, but that's simply not true. Anyone can invest their money, and you don't need to be a stock market freak to get started. If you're new to investing, you can start with Stash and invest as little as $5. With this app, you can create a portfolio of stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds with account options ranging from $1 per month to $9 per month. In addition to the investment account itself, you will have access to free financial education so that you can expand your investment knowledge. Bonus tips. Money mistakes happen, but ignoring them will just make it worse. It takes a lot of discipline to stick to your budget, and everyone makes mistakes from time to time. Some money mistakes are more harmful than others, but ignoring them will only make your financial situation worse. For example, if you've accidentally accumulated credit card debt, don't lose hope. Recognize what went wrong and look for solutions, such as transferring your high-interest debt to a credit card for balance transfer. The Citi Diamond Preferred card might be a good option for this strategy. As a new card holder, you'll have 0% April for 21 months on balance transfers. However, this can be a smart way to save money you would otherwise have to spend on interest rates, allowing you to pay off your balance even faster. Just remember to review what got you into this situation and make changes so you don't fall into the same trap in the future. There are other income streams besides a 9-to-5 job. As you grow up, you may have taken root in your head to find a job, dig and work your way up to retirement, but there are no rules saying you can't add an extra fuss or two to boost your income. This will not only allow you to earn more money, but will also protect your finances in case one of your income streams runs out. There are several jobs you can add to your weekly routine to make sure you keep earning money even when your main job ends. Whether you become a travel-sharing partner with Lyft, delivery with Uber Eats and Postmates, walk dogs with Rover, or guest travelers by renting your seat on Airbnb, there's a lot of hustle and bustle to keep you and your account busy banking. Finally, don't take on debt you can't pay off. Getting into debt is surely the quickest way to cripple your finances, such as a mortgage where you get an asset and the opportunity to earn returns that exceed the interest rate of your debt. This is one of the most important lessons to learn from the beginning. Unfortunately, many people go into credit card debt, not to mention student debt. This is one of the lessons that people learn the hard way. If you are in debt, prioritize debt with the highest interest rate. Paying off debt with a 10% interest rate first will do you more good than focusing on a debt that only has a 3% interest rate. Tell us in the comment section your view on the topic. That's all for today's video. If you liked watching, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching.